my gosh, we are one. I'm so excited. Oh, yes. Oh, she said something for Walter. Sajilla. Alexandria, you're so sweet. She's opened. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a really fun video that I've been looking forward to for a while. A little bit of a story about this video is the past few months I have been able to connect with another YouTuber and we've actually become friends. It's so cool to meet somebody in the YouTube community, and the crazy thing about her name is Alexandria. The crazy thing about Alexandria is I feel like we are the same person. We just connected over each other's videos, and I watched hers, she watched mine, and we would comment to each other, and it just kind of created this friendship. And it was actually her idea to do a box swap. So as most of you know, I am Canadian, and Alexandria Hicks is her YouTube name. She is an amazing YouTuber, and she's a mom, and she's a realtor, and she puts out videos every single day. It's super inspiring. I will link her channel down below so that you guys can subscribe. You don't want to miss her videos. They are awesome. She actually suggested doing a box swap, and I was like, heck yes, that sounds so fun. So we kind of have done like our favorite things, kind of a survival guide. So I sent her things that were my favorite that I could not live without in Canada, and so she sent me some stuff from America, and I'm really excited. I just picked up the box today, and I was like, I have to film because I'm dying to know. And literally I just feel like we're the same person. She sent it in this pink box, and she put like, I'm trying to keep the privacy, but she put like stickers on it. It is super cute, and as soon as I saw it I was like, oh my gosh, we are one. So without further ado, I'm going to open it. I'm so excited. Okay, here we go. This is what it looks like. Oh my gosh. Oh, there's a card. Oh. My goodness. This is so sweet. Oh, thanks a whole bunch. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. So she says this is basic American girl stuff. I hope you love everything and can't wait for more collabs in the future. Love your YouTube friend. Oh my gosh, Alexandria, this is so awesome. I'm so happy to have met you, and this is so fun. Oh my gosh. Okay, and one thing I have to say, in Canada, we do not have Target, and I lived in the States for 5 years, and Target was my jam. I, every day, miss Target. Target is more like a ritual than even just a shopping experience. So I already, oh my gosh, this looks like it's something from Target. Yes. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Oh, I love Valentine's. Oh my gosh, this is adorable. Like, these are so cute. Oh. Okay, let's dig in. Oh, yes. Oh, and we don't have Trader Joe's, actually. We don't have Trader Joe's, Target, anything that's cool, I think. Ooh, Monster Trail Mix. Oh, at Archer Farms. Archer Farms is the best. Oh, this will be perfect for class. I'm gonna take this to school. Ooh, roasted plantain chips from Trader Joe's. Oh my gosh, I love Trader Joe's. I'm so excited to try these. I've never had. Oh, this is so cute. This is from Target. I already know. These are so adorable. They're these page flags, sticky notes, bookmarks, and list pad. Oh my gosh, this is adorable. And this is perfect for my bullet journal because I'm really into it. And the magnetic things, bookmarks. Oh, I love this. This is really cute. See, we have nothing equivalent to like this cute of stuff. You have to go to, I feel like Anthro or something, and pay an arm and a leg to get cute stuff. Target just has the best stuff ever. This is so funny because, oh my gosh, this is adorable. I sent her a mug too. Oh my gosh, I love this. It says Caffeine Queen. This is adorable. This is so me. I love this. It's really funny. It just reminds me how similar we are, like the stuff in here. Like this is really adorable. Oh, she said something for Walter. Oh, that is, oh, that's so cute. She sent us a bone for Walter. Alexandria, you're so sweet. Okay, I'll film giving this to him because these are like his favorite things ever. It's like this box that never ends. Ooh. Trader Joe's instant coffee packets, all dressed up with creamer and sugar. Just add water. These are the best, ideal for travel. I've never had these. We used to drink these other ones that I was really into, but these are Trader Joe ones. Instant coffee packet, all dressed up with creamer and sugar. Just add water. Ideal for travel. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna take these to school too. This is amazing. Trader Joe's. Okay, if you're Canadian and you've never been to Trader Joe's, you have to go. Trader Joe products are the absolute best. I've never had something bad from Trader Joe's, and they have amazing customer service. Honestly, Trader Joe's and Target are the two things that I absolutely miss the most, hands down. Ooh, these are dark chocolate almond toffee. Oh yes. Premium dark chocolate covered California almonds, crunchy toffee. Ooh, this looks so good from Trader Joe's. I just want to open everything. Oh my gosh. This is a birthday cake bar. Okay, birthday cake is my absolute favorite flavor of everything. Birthday cake bar, white chocolate bar with cookie crumbs and sprinkles. Oh my gosh, I want to open this right this second. Oh, look at this. I feel like this is not going to last very long. I feel like after this video, I'm just going to like dive into all of this stuff. Oh, this is adorable. This is more like, oh, this is binder pack. Oh, so it's stickers and washer tape, washi tape, washer tape. Oh my gosh, this is adorable. Target has the best stuff in the world. Like, I miss Target. How many times am I going to say that in this video? Let's start counting. Ooh, Trader Joe's sour gummies. I've never had these. Lemon, grapefruit, lime. I'm going to have to hide this stuff from Andrew because he's going to want it. Oh my gosh. These look so good. Oh my gosh, this was the best box ever. Thank you so much, Alexandria. This is like honestly so perfect. These are all the things that like I miss, and I have never tried any of this stuff, and I used to live in the States. See how adventurous I am. So I want to say a huge thank you to Alexandria. Thank you so much for being my YouTube friend and doing this box swap with me. I honestly loved it. I hope you like mine, and if you want to see my box to Alexandria, check it out on her channel. I'll have the links down below, and be sure to subscribe to her channel. And if you like my video, hit the like button and hit that subscribe button down below, and I will see you again for another video. Bye. Walter? What is this? What is that? Oh yeah. Yummy.